nesting now.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just received this banner at the Edinburgh 500 area. It reportedly flew into a roof and then was it attacked by the dog? Okay, the dog, some dogs alerted the person of it. And we observed that there's an injury to the right eye, there's some blood in the mouth, so there's some trauma going on there. And he seems to be kneeling, so we're gonna have him get checked out by a vet as soon as possible.
So we're here with Dr. Kriyaan Singh, following up with the owl. His prognosis so far is that the owl has been sick for a while. If you can see it here, you see how much muscle mass he's lost. So about a week to 2 weeks, Kriyaan?
Yeah, you could see the prominence of his keel bone there. So you don't have any real muscling along the keel bone, which indicates he's been losing muscle for a while. All this big should have nice healthy chest muscling on either side.
Did you notice any broken bones or anything like that?
No, from what initial check-in, I don't think his bones are broken.
And his injury in his eye, would that be from the fall or something else?
More likely the fall, right? But it could be his fall could be due to head trauma as well. He could have flown into something, injured himself, managed to stumble a bit, and then as the shock set in.
Despite our efforts and those of Dr. Kriyaan Singh, we would soon learn that nature had taken its course. Over the course of the night, the owl passed away. It was kept more comfortable than it would have been in the wild. But as you would find out, it was too late to help any further. A post-mortem was conducted by Dr. Singh the following morning, and he learned the barn owl died from eimeria coccidiosis, a parasitic infection commonly found in wild birds. We would like to thank Dr. Singh for his selfless assistance and his kind-hearted nature. We would also like to thank Mr. Teelucksingh for his concern for the well-being of the animal and allowing us the opportunity to help any animal in distress.